Biodiversity is a variety of life forms in a particular area. Brisbane is recognised as a biodiversity hotspot because of the many plant and animal species thriving there. It is also the most biodiverse capital city in Australia, with over 800 species of wildlife and more than 2,500 species of native plants. I hope that in 10 years' time we see more of the disappearing species in Brisbane. The species that, while were once abundant, are now hardly seen ever. Where are the blue-tongued lizards? Where are the backyard frogs, ladybirds and stick insects, the Christmas beetles and butterflies? We need to save these beautiful species from extinction. But how will we do that? With bees. Bees pollinate many of the plants in our environment that in turn produce food and habitats for our wildlife. This system supports both the flora and the fauna in Brisbane and also helps produce the crops and the livestock.
Well, without bees we wouldn't have about 140 different types of fruits, vegetables and nuts. Not only that, we wouldn't have all of the cattle grain and all of the stock feed that we feed all of our cows to produce us beautiful, healthy meat. Bees are really, really important in many different cycles of life. They're also a really beautiful indicator of how healthy your environment is. If you've got bees that are thriving in your local environment, like if you've got a beehive in your backyard and it is thriving, then there's a good chance that you've got a really healthy local ecology.
It's amazingly easy to keep your own backyard bees, especially native bees, but if you're not able to keep bees, you can make your garden bee-friendly. Plant a variety of natives, including free ones from the Brisbane City Council. As well as backyard bees, if the council employed beekeepers to look after beehives around Brisbane, then I think we would see an increase in those disappearing species and Brisbane's biodiversity would flourish. Protecting Brisbane's biodiversity begins with a single step. It begins with one person taking action. Brisbane's biodiversity begins with a bee.